What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So I'm back in Five Below and I just wanted to share some new things with you guys this week. Maybe things that we haven't looked at in our past walkthroughs, but there's just always so many cute things in here. And I just wanted to show you guys just a lot of new things today. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, they have lots and lots of phone cases in here, and all of them are $5. They have tons and tons of phone cases. They have universal chargers. They have speakers and headphones, you guys. Let's just take a minute to look at some of these speakers and some of these headphones. This one looks so cool. I love all the different facets here. This is a dancing water speaker. I wish this one was out of the box. I'd really love to see it. Oh, cute, you guys. Look, they have some vintage retro speakers. Those are so cute. They also have it in blue. They have it in pink. And I love this cute little green one. They have glow-in-the-dark headphones. These look really little, like maybe they fit Gator or maybe they would fit a toddler. They have lots of different colors. Pink, blue, green, purple. And then we have some larger ones here. And these are all the things that they're compatible with. We actually have a pair at home. Birdy really likes it. These are folding headphones. All of these fold. And all of these are just $5. We have some over here that are kid safe. They're safe for small ears. They also come with volume protection. These are just $5 as well. We even have some over here that have built-in mics. The Titans, we have blue, pink. I think this is like a rose gold. Oh, just a kind of a rose gold, more so of a pink, but it's nice. We have purple down here. Those are pretty. Purple. We have green, silver. This one here. And of course the basic black. We have even more over here. We even have this little Trolls iHome. It's a little Bluetooth speaker. We have a water resistant speaker. And more headphones. What's this? This is a dancing troll. I guess the battery's not enabled on this one. And then, you guys, we have lots and lots of power banks over here. And I think these are $5. Yeah, these are also $5. This is a pretty design. I like that. Ultra thin and it's rechargeable. I don't go anywhere without my power banks. Yes, and I said plural. Power banks. This one is cute with the little marble. Ready for anything. And guess what, you guys? We have 10-foot premium lightning cables. These are also just $5. We have them in blue. We have them in pink. Tons of white. And also black. This is what we need for our iPhones and our iPads. This is the best deal in town. Look at these cute little ring holders they have for $4. I am literally right under a speaker, you guys. Oh, this one is so pretty. And this is what? A swivel mirror. So cute. I like the strawberry. We have the happy face, the little eyelashes. It says it safely adheres to any case. There is so many things to choose from here. Type-C, micro, and mini USB cables. They're all $5, you guys. This whole area is nothing but universal chargers and USB chargers, and they're all just $5. This is definitely turning into the tech edition because I'm showing everything we have for tablets, iPads, computer gear, chargers. We have our headphones, we have our speakers. They have so much, you guys. They have so much here, so definitely check your Five Below first before going anywhere else because you will definitely save some money by shopping here first. They have a lot. They even have tablet cases, you guys. That is a really nice deal. I don't even think you can beat this deal on eBay. They have them in black, brown, and blue, and these rotate 360 degrees. A smartphone tripod, and look, you guys, we even have the selfie LED light up ring. Look at this pillow, you guys. It is so cute. I am really loving the little rainbow alpaca. These are just $5. They're super soft. We have the cute little narwhal in her jean jacket. And then, of course, all the pretty sequin pillows. And there's more, you guys. Look over here. We have cute, super cute little Boston Terrier. And it says Selfie Queen. Aw, look at this one. It's Tux's girlfriend. Shojai. And then over here we have Cool Kitty. This looks like our Egypt. And then here's Egypt.
Oh yeah.
What else do we have here? And then we have Frye, dog. And we have super cute throws. And super cute foxies. I love this sort of neon pinkish orange on top of this mint. I think it's gorgeous. Just $5 for their plush blankets. Look what's back in stock, you guys. They stocked their cactus back up. These are just $4 each. I really want to get one. I just don't know where I'll put it. I think I'm seeing more new things down here. Ooh, what's this? This is a $5 printed rug. That is so cute, and it feels pretty heavy. I'm kind of loving this, you guys. Yeah, I really like that. And then they also have this one down here. And if you guys remember the rugs that Target put out, the ones that they put out with their cactus line, these feel very similar to those $7 rugs. Well, hey guys, that's it for me. I ended up, like last time, filming a super long shop with me. To those of you that wanted to see makeup, don't worry. It's going to be coming up in the second half or the next shop with me really soon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.